This is Brian Thompson, and less than 72 hours ago, he was murdered using 3 bullets, with the words deny, depose, and defend engraved in them. But what do these words have to do with each other? The meaning of these words will be answered before the end of the video. To have more context, we first need to understand that Brian wasn't just any victim. He was a CEO of a company with a history so chilling it left thousands dead. And no, that's not an exaggeration. We've all heard the horror stories that a stay in the ICU will set you back an easy $10,000. For millions of Americans, getting sick isn't just terrifying, it's a financial death sentence. Well, when you're a company like UnitedHealthCare and you're taking care of millions of Americans' health, you'd hope it would follow the law. After all, with a market cap of nearly $500 billion, the stakes are high. But instead of setting a gold standard, UnitedHealthCare repeatedly found itself in hot water, facing accusations of manipulating the system to maximize the profits, even if that meant breaking the law. For example, the Affordable Care Act, or ACA, was created to protect Americans when it comes to health insurance. It's supposed to make insurance accessible for low-income families and ensure essential benefits, for example, emergency services, and what's even better is mental health is also included. Here's where it gets shocking. UnitedHealthCare wasn't just breaking the law, they were using AI to do it for them. This AI system was designed to decide who got coverage for elderly patients on Medicare Advantage plans. But the AI wasn't just wrong, it was dead wrong. It denied claims incorrectly 90% of the time. That's the elderly being denied 9 out of 10 times when they desperately needed help. And what's worse is that UnitedHealthCare knew the AI was inaccurate and they kept using it anyways. But this is only one of many stories where UnitedHealthCare played judge, jury, and executioner when it came to patient care. Take Christopher McNaughton, for example, a man fighting for his life against ulcerative colitis. Christopher's treatment plan had been working, keeping his condition under control. His doctor at the Mayo Clinic warned that changing his medication could have life-threatening consequences, but UnitedHealthCare had other plans. Out of nowhere, UnitedHealthCare denied coverage for Christopher's treatment, even though it had been approved before. And they didn't stop there. UnitedHealthCare nurses claimed his doctor agreed to reduce his medication dosage, which was a complete lie. The doctor had previously said the opposite, warning the changes could kill him. As if things couldn't get even worse, a UnitedHealthCare medical doctor later admitted to simply copying and pasting the nurse's recommendation to deny the claim. No real review, just a copy-paste decision about someone's life. And while the company's officials insisted this wasn't about saving money, their internal emails told a very different story. They were calculating how much they'd save by denying Christopher's treatment, treating his life like an item on their budget. Stories like Christopher's and the use of deadly inaccurate AI make one thing clear. As UnitedHealthCare denies the most insurance claims, they have left many lives in ruin, and the true number of how many people die or are left with crippling conditions will forever remain unknown. So, is it really surprising that someone took matters into their own hands and killed this company's CEO? The bullets etched with the words deny, depose, and defend were words that embodied the company's ruthless strategy: to deny claims, depose those who fight back, and defend their profits at all costs. And unfortunately for Brian Thompson, these words were buried into him, paying the ultimate price for his company's unethical and greedy nature.